Okay, I'm gonna hope that this actually works this time. This is like the fifth time I've tried this. I'm doing a tutorial on AP Computer Science about classes, and I actually do go into the actual programming part a little later. Right now I'm just doing the conceptual part. You can skip ahead if you want to. Basically, the easiest way to imagine a class is that it is a blueprint for a house. And what classes are used for is they're used to create objects. Alright? And these objects are, they can be anything. If you're making a video game, they can be a Pokemon. If you're making, really they can be anything. Alright? Classes have methods, they have parameters, and they have constructors. Now, parameters are, going back to the house metaphor, parameters could be like the color of the house, the size, the number of rooms, etc. Um, Methods are things that you can do to the house, like build, destroy, and paint, and so on and so forth. Constructors is basically what the name implies. It's what you type to create it, and this is something that you guys already know how to do. It's like, you know, it's basically when you write in your code like new string blah. That's what a constructor is. This part right here is a constructor. It basically tells the program that it's going to take this, it's going to create a new string object and input a blah for its data. Um, sort of like an example, house constructor would be, a new house, and you would say the color should be blue, and it should be 5 feet by 5 feet. It's a small house with 3 rooms, even smaller rooms, and yeah, and that would be like a house constructor. And basically that's really all that a class is. Um, in the game that I'm making in class, I'm making a Pokemon game. Yeah, whatever. And so far I've created quite a few classes. I've created a Pokemon class, a try to remember. I have a lot more, but we'll ignore the other ones for now. I can just this is just for an example so you can understand like what its actual use is. And so in my Pokemon class, I have, for parameters, I have actually no, there's no XP for this one. I have HP for health points. I have um, its type, like if it's fire or water, etc. I have its I don't know. I have some others. I have XP. I have level, and obviously name. All right, and you can kind of guess what what kind of values these are. The HP and the XP and the level, these are all integers. The type is actually a character, and name is a string. And what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to show you not how to create a Pokemon class, but how to create just a class in general.